Welcome back to Las Vegas. Today we are at Bellagio. Bellagio's hotel lobby is so pretty, from the seasonal displays behind the front desk to the beautiful glass sculpture that hangs from the ceiling. The whole property is so elegant. I recently stayed twice at Bellagio. In May I stayed in a resort room, then in June I stayed in a premier room, which is a remodeled room. Let me show you them. My resort room in May was on the 14th floor. The bathroom in this room has a large bathtub, one sink, and a separate shower. It's a nice bathroom. This room has 2 queen-size beds. There is a stocked minibar fridge right there to the right, and in the armoire is a robe, an iron, and luggage rack. The safe is in the drawer between the beds for all your Vegas winnings. You can open the draperies on the wall or the controls that are next to the bed also. I had a good view of the pool. I didn't go to the pool this day, but I have in the past, and it's a very nice pool area. And there's a last look at the resort room with 2 queen beds. For my stay in June, I stayed on the 25th floor in a premier room, which is a remodeled room at Bellagio. They have added a closet to the front of the room. They relocated the safe to the closet. It's a very large closet. The bathroom got a big update. They removed the bathtub and added a very large walk-in shower. It is really nice. The bathroom seems brighter, and the additional sink is a nice feature. I stayed in a room with 2 queen beds. The controls for the drapery is still on the wall and next to the bed. They removed the large armoire. The room seems bigger and brighter now. The room still has a stocked minibar fridge. And here's my view. I love seeing the mountains. The new room just seems larger and brighter, and it's nice when things are new. Even if you are not staying at Bellagio, you have to visit the Bellagio Conservatory. It changes throughout the year. If you can't be in Vegas, check out the videos of it on my channel. After the conservatory, you can go to Sadelle's for a great meal. We had a wonderful breakfast there. The omelet and blueberry pancakes were so good. It was one of the best omelets I've ever had. Don't forget to check out the Bellagio Fountains. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing for more from Las Vegas. Thank you.